Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting variables. Confirm the outlet and surge protector work, then disconnect all HDMI devices and USB drives so only the TV remains. Press the TV power button for 10 seconds to drain residual power. This hard reset often clears firmware hangs. Once done, unplug the TV from mains for 60 seconds and hold the power button again. Reconnect power and use the TV button to turn it on. This sequence forces a basic reboot and can restore the display quickly. Now focus on software and inputs. Cycle input or source to confirm the TV is on the Android input rather than an inactive HDMI port. If you see no OSD, try the TV button plus volume keys to reveal the menu. Once visible, go to Settings, Device Preferences, and choose Restart to trigger a clean system boot. This preserves apps and settings. If the remote is unresponsive, pair it again or plug in a USB mouse to navigate. That often lets you reach Restart or Update options. If soft fixes fail, move to Updates and Recovery. Download the exact firmware for your model onto a USB and follow the manufacturer's USB update procedure to repair a corrupted OS. If that does not help, perform a factory reset from recovery mode to eliminate persistent software faults. Make sure to back up accounts first. Finally, if the screen stays black, use a flashlight close to the panel to check for faint images, if you see them. The backlight or T-con board is likely faulty and requires professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.